Good morning. Good morning. I just woke up. Mom. Just woke up, but I already brushed my teeth and brushed my hair. I slept through my makeup, so I have mascara on, but that's whatever, that's fine. This is just gonna be like a day in my life video. An updated version, I suppose. I don't know. I'm tired. Okay, so I'm getting ready to take a shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, even though I washed it yesterday, but last night I put too much hair oil in my hair, so my hair's a bit oily. But today, the cleaner comes. House cleaner, she comes. I don't know how to hold my phone. Okay. So we're going to go ice skating while she's here, which I'm super excited about because I love ice skating. And there's one ice skating rink of all of Okinawa, from what I've seen. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna try this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at this one. That's fun.
Chickens. He's so cool. I did an oopsie. I wasn't supposed to put the cups that they had in the thing and then put frappe if I wanted frappe, but I did that. And that's not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to get in the freezer, there's like ice cream basically, and that's the frappe, and you take that and then you put it in, and then that's how you do it. So
That's how you do it for coffee, though.
for
frappe. Yeah, for coffee you just put the cup in and then you do it, whatever. But I got mint chip. There's no coffee, so it's just ice cream. It's a milkshake.
Is it a milkshake?
Yeah. I mean, it's mint chip. It's good.
Yeah.
I paid. She had the audacity to try to hand her money. Like, girl, put that away. I have 10,000 yen on me. Put that away. Anywho, we got this. It's melon bread, but it has strawberries. Okay, this is gonna be shocker for the people who know me. I've been eating strawberries. I hate strawberries. Before it was because there's like worms and gross things inside the seeds and like all around seeds. And then, like, I would try to eat some things that would be strawberry, you know, like, you know, just like if it was ice cream or something, just get a little nibble of it. And it was just never tasty to me. Like, strawberries are just not that tasty. I don't see the hype. Really, I don't. I like raspberries. Raspberries are good. They're delicious. Strawberries? No. But I've been eating them, so I've gotten over my fear. Ish. But yeah, so strawberry this, strawberry that. Strawberry season! It's strawberry season on Okinawa, so everything's strawberry. But yeah, I just don't find much enjoyment in eating strawberries because I find them bland, to be honest. But I don't know. I've been wanting like fresh things. Strawberries have been in season, so they're fresh. But you guys like my hair? Look how pretty it is. I should have ran a straightener through it, but I don't care enough to do so. And it's rainy anyway. If you see outside, it's raining. But it's so pretty. Okay, come closer to the view. Come on now. Come on now, people. Okay. Hi, this is my dad. Okay, so yeah, we're trying now. Yay.
We've waited a year to get these. When we got here, they were no longer in season. And now, they are in season. And everybody talks about this. White bread, it looks like some
Cream, like
kind of
sweet
cream.
cream probably. And strawberry. Ooh, those look bad. Ooh, those look gross. I'm not eating that.
they just look moist.
They just look bad. Okay.
There's like 3 strawberry. Oh no, there's more on there's more inside. Okay. It's like a strawberry shortcake almost.
Okay. Dink it. Dink it. I don't like that.
Like a strawberry shortcake. Not as sweet, because everything in Japan is not as sweet as in the US. But
I
it's
like it.
strawberry shortcake.
It tastes like a bad strawberry. Well, I got this. It's melon bread, which I really like melon bread, but with dried strawberries. And inside is like a jam and some other things.
Cream. Can I tear it? Oh, there we go. You gotta do that for the camera. Like push it out for the camera, you know?
Not bad.
That's sweet. I ate half of it in one bite.
Yeah, help me.
Yeah, come over here. It's all over
This
so
is hard. They won't see your face.
I'm not fine for that again.
It cuts off at Dad's head. The other thing that's in is
off, like,
matcha.
Right here is where it cuts off.
Matcha, matcha, matcha.
And plus, I can
Because
also just.
they only have these in the stores for a short season. They're back. At least for me. I haven't found them.
I'm gonna try to cover your head.
Matcha's in.
Wanna
I have a matcha issue. And the best tea ever. Besides barley tea.
Do you want more?
Go ahead. I'm good.
Okay, whoa. Okay, here's my fit. Hoodie, pants. Oops, I'm not wearing shoes. Her fit check. Wow, wow, gorgeous. His fit check. He's wearing socks. Wait, you can't even see the hoodie. Ugh, it's camouflage. What am I gonna do with my hair?
Shave it.
Don't you dare. Okay, no, this is not the Grinch. Put that away. Okay.
Karate chopped him.
Thank you very much. Necklaces. This one I got for Christmas. This one I got, I think, from a thrift store. Rings. I don't know. Hair. Because I'm going to be sweating. Oh. For half a second, you know stick people?
Oh.
That's what that looked like. I thought
Yeah, I
there was
can
a
see
stick
that.
person.
I can see that.
Okay, I'm just gonna do like half up moment. Earrings. I wanna do
You
a
look
little something,
fabulous
something.
like my.
like you.
Yeah.
Right.
Earrings.
Yeah. I like fabulous, thank you. My hair's not hairing. Whatever.
Oh, you look
Oh,
fabulously
there
cute.
it goes.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. Slip's cute. Also, slip's cute. Hi. Okay. Cute. Okay. Does that work? That works. I can't really see myself, but that works. Okay. Deodorant. Extra, because I sweat a lot. Oh, my back. Oh. Okay. Some lip gloss. How's the hair look? You won't lie to me, right? Okay. Fragrance. Got this from Walmart when we were visiting. Misery? No, I'll put the one here that we visited. Yeah, this. It's really nice. It's a smoky kind of spicy. And then just a couple sprays of this one. And that's the scent for today. Okay, so add some more jewelry. A little fake nose ring, ear thing, more rings.
Can't read.
Got our skates. We have to wear gloves, and I think we have to wear helmets too.
No, let's get it together.
We have to wear helmets. It's a video. Yeah.
Helping my parents.
I'm kind of stranded on the ice. They left me. Uh-oh. Send help. SOS. I'm totally skating. I'm totally doing this. Whee!
talking about?
Be gentle with him.
He's reckless, right? I've seen him drive.
Huh?
I got, this isn't ice cream. Capybara, what? Cotton candy. We're done skating. We're gonna go bowling. Made it home. The cleaners did a great job. And now we're just trying chocolate. I have pink. Okay, we can't see your head. I have to squat while you do this.
Yes, scoot up. Chair. Where's
Do
chair?
you smell?
Where's
Do
chair?
you smell?
Where's
Do
chair?
you smell?
What the Rock is cooking!
I hope they heard that. I hope that was loud. Take it.
Now Beat Saber time. And this is Mom playing Beat Saber.
Oh my.
I don't think she knew Drew was going to be here. Alright, so as far as the front of this house, the homeowners just hated these cliff corners, which it does kind of date it to the 80s.
Yeah, we thought we were gonna just cut here, and cut across, expose that.
Okay guys, this concludes the end of the video. I hope it was exciting. I know I didn't get enough, taking my socks off, hold on. Ugh. I didn't get enough footage of ice skating, but that's just because there was a lot of people in the rink and I didn't want to accidentally get anyone's faces. Yeah, that's a big no-no in Japan, is to record other people. I feel like it should be everywhere, but yeah. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's gonna be a little more of the video. I'm gonna get my bath together. I've been having a lot of like back pain. It sucks so much, and there's a really big echo in here. I apologize, but yeah, it is late at night and I'm ready to relax and drink my tea, take a bath. So that is what I'm going to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I have a goal to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If we can get to more than that, that would be amazing. But my goal is 5,000 by the end of the year. So I'm going to be, you know, trying to post a lot more, trying to post weekly videos like I was. In a couple weeks, we're going to Guam. So that's gonna be fun. A little fun little trip planned.
One way that I find nowadays to get more interaction is through short videos. Thing is, I hate short videos. I hate making them. I just make super long videos, and then there's just too much that I can't cut down. So I'm probably not gonna make many short videos, probably here and there, but once a week on Monday Japanese time, so Sunday American time, Sunday on American. In America, it'll be Sunday. I need to get like a consistent time that I'm gonna post. Right now I think 4, post at 4 my time, but that's a bit too early because that'll be like 3 a.m. in some places, 2 a.m. in others, but I'm gonna get it situated. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope next week I can do my nails, so my nails look like this right now. Here's the reason why. So we were getting our nails done monthly, okay, like a couple times a month, because prices are cheaper here and we can get them done a lot more, you know. Well, then I started picking up guitar again. And so I ripped off all the gel. I went with all the gel that was on my nails. And I cut them short, which I enjoy my short nails, I really do. I love having short nails. But I just really want my long nails back. Like, I don't know, there's something so feminine about having long nails done. Even if the design for me, personally, the design is not very like girly or feminine, it's like out there, you know? But there's just something so refreshing and feminine about getting your nails done, and I miss that. So hopefully next week that'll be the video. If not, it might just be another day in my life. Or I could do like what I eat in a day. Would you guys like that? I think I'd like that. It's eating, so I just have to record myself eating. But yeah, so once again, please like and subscribe. Comment what was your favorite part about the video. That, like with a timestamp, if you can do the timestamp. See if you can do that. If not, just comment like a butterfly emoji or something. Just comment something. Literally something. Comment something. Okay. Like, subscribe. Instagram. Okay, peace out.